Happy day, children. Class 6, Chapter 5, Statistics. Today I am going to teach pictograph. What is mean by pictograph? A pictograph is the representation of data through pictures. Pictographs use small pictures or simple to show, compare or count information. Okay, children. Today I am going to teach exercise 5.2. First one, fill in the blanks. If one ball represent 100 balls, then 1.5 ball represent dash balls. The answer is 150. Second one, if 200 is represented by one bat, then 600 is represented by 3 bats. Third one, representation of data by using pictures is known as pictograph. Second question, draw a pictograph for the given data. Here some data is given. Month, number of computers sold. In June month 300 computers sold. July month 450 computers sold. August month 600 computers sold. September month 550 computers sold. Write the solution. Pictograph of numbers of computers sold. First arrange the month June, July, August, September. Here in this picture, one computer represents 50 computers. In June month, how many computers have been sold? Yes, 300. So 300 divided by 50, the answer is 6. So you have to draw 6 computers. In July month, how many computers have been sold? 450. So 450 divided by 50 is equal to 9. So you have to draw 9 computers. In August month, how many computers have been sold? 600. So 600 divided by 50 is equal to 12. So you have to draw 12 computers. In September month, how many computers have been sold? 550. So 550 divided by 50 is equal to 11. So you have to draw 11 computers. Okay, children. Finally, we get a pictograph. Third question. The following table shows the number of tourists who visited the place in the month of May. Draw a pictograph. Here some data is given. Place, number of tourists. Mahabalipuram, Vedantangal, Okinakkal, Ooty. In Mahabalipuram, 20,000 tourists. Vedantangal, 15,000. Okinakkal, 40,000 and Ooty, 35,000 tourists. First you write the solution, children. The pictograph for the number of tourists who visited the various places. First arrange the places: Mahabalipuram, Vedantangal, Okinakkal and Ooty. Number of tourists, one smiley faces represent 5,000 tourists. Mahabalipuram, in Mahabalipuram how many tourists? 20,000. So 20,000 divided by 5,000 is equal to 4. So you have to draw 4 smiley faces. Next, Vedantangal. Vedantangal 15,000. So 15,000 divided by 5,000 is equal to 3. So you have to draw 3 smiley faces. Okinakkal 40,000. 40,000 divided by 5,000 is equal to 8. So you have to draw 8 smiley faces. And in Ooty, how many tourist place? 35,000. So 35,000 divided by 5,000 is equal to 7. So you have to draw 7 smiley faces. Okay, children. Next, fourth question. The following pictograph shows the number of students playing different games in a school. Look at the picture. Here some games are given. Kho-kho, kabaddi, basketball, volleyball and hockey. Number of students. Kho-kho, 9 dolls is there. Kabaddi, 11 dolls. Basketball, 3 dolls. Volleyball, 5 dolls. And hockey, 9 dolls. Here, 1 doll is represent 10 students. Okay, children? Answer the following question. First question. Which is the most popular game among the students? Yes, kabaddi. Second one. Find the number of students playing kabaddi. Here, kabaddi, 11 dolls is there. So 11 dolls into 10. 1 doll is represent 10 students. So 11 into 10, 110. So the answer 110. Third question. Which two games are played by equal number of students? Yes, Kho-kho and hockey. Kho-kho 9 dolls and hockey also 9 dolls. 1 doll is represent 10 students. So write the answer Kho-kho and hockey. Fourth question. What is the difference between the number of students playing Kho-kho and hockey? So Kho-kho, number of students is 1 doll is 10 students. So 9 dolls into 10. So 9 into 10 is 90. So 90 students. And hockey also 9 doll is there. So 9 into 10, 90 students. So you have to find out the difference. 90 minus 90. Yes, 0. The answer is 0. Fifth question. Which is the least popular game among the students? Yes, basketball. Basketball, 3 doll is there. 1 doll is represent 10 students. So 3 into 10, 30 students. So which one is the correct answer? Yes, basketball. Next, objective type question. Fifth question. The representation of one picture to many objects in a pictograph is called dash. Tally marks, pictobird, scaling and frequency. Which one is the correct answer? Yes, scaling. Sixth question. A pictograph is also known as a pictobird, pictogram, pictophrase, pictograph. Which one is the correct answer? Yes, pictogram. Okay, children. Today's class is over. Thank you, children.